Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you? I hope you are doing great. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I painted this beautiful portrait of gorgeous NAYANTHARA man using watercolors. So without any further ado, let's start the video. As you can see, I have already drawn the outline sketch for the face. And if you wanna learn how I do these kind of sketches, then you will have to do a little extra effort. All you have to do is go to my previous drawing tutorials. All the links are given in the description below. I am using this 300 GSM cold press sheet. It's 100% cotton. If you wanna do a lot of layers without any worrying about the paper, then you should go for 100% cotton paper only. I have these typical round brushes. This is size 0. This is size 4. This is size 00. And this one is size 8. So now let's start coloring. The colors that I'm using here are burnt sienna, gamboge hue, vermilion hue, crimson lake and orange. So as usual, I'm going to paint the base layer first, and you can see how light I'm using the paint. I'm also taking care of the highlights of the face by not coloring it. When you are using the colors very light in the beginning, then it becomes very easy to get control over your watercolor painting. You can blend the colors very easily, and by using the colors in layers, you can achieve a very realistic look. Well, it's not just about the realistic looks only. Doing colors in layers can give you very artistic look as well. That you will get to see when I will start painting the hair. There are areas in this painting where I don't want to color, because if those areas get colored, then I will have to do extra labor to correct it. So to avoid that, I will cover it with masking fluid. I have rolled a paper in cone shape and using it to fill the white areas with masking fluid. The base layer has dried, so let's add another layer. Watercolor paper plays an important role in layering. A normal paper has a certain limit up to which it's intact. You cannot do as many layers as you want on a normal sheet. And by a normal sheet, I mean to say cellulose paper. Even if the normal paper is of 300 GSM or more, it will eventually start getting damaged. If you do more layers than it can hold. So to overcome this problem, you can use 100% cotton paper. And as you can know by hearing the name itself, it's 100% cotton. That means, just like a cloth, you can add as many layers as you want without damaging the paper. I have used many types of paper, but 100% cotton is by far the best I have used. So far in this painting, I have used only light colors. Here's a tip. You can increase the darkness of the color by adding very little amount of black color, and white color can be added to make the color light. I haven't added any black color to the face yet, because I prefer doing dark colors at the end, because dark colors can ruin your painting. Instead of using black color directly to the eyebrows, I am mixing it with burnt sienna to give a shadow effect. I have seen many people coloring the lips part with only one color. Mostly it is red that they use. Using only one color will make it look flat. It will not look like that it has volume. I use my fine brushes for doing the details. Like here I'm doing the eyes with size 0 brush. It is very important to use the right brushes for right purpose. Like for blending colors and to color a big portion, I use my size 8 brush. And for detailing like eyelids, eyebrows and hair, I use size 0 and size 00 brush. Having the knowledge of using right brushes will make you an efficient artist. Friends, I have been asked by many of you to not do time-lapse video. So in this video, I tried not to speed up the process that much. And I hope it's satisfactory. Some of you also told me that they grasped how to blend colors by seeing me doing that. So I hope you will enjoy these brush strokes. I will speak up when I will do the hair part, which is going to be painted in a very almost done with painting the face, and now it's time to do the hair. And I have a different style of doing the hair. What I do is I add more than one color to the hair, and it gives a very unique and artistic look to the painting. This is how I want my paintings to be, a combination of realistic and artistic approach. This makes the painting easily recognizable and it adds to the beauty of the person you are painting. Like I do here, you can do your own artistic way of painting. I know this will be challenging for the beginners, but doing something differently is the only way to develop your own style and to stand out from the crowd. I hope you will give it a try. And if you do, then do share your work with me on Instagram. It will be so much fun to see what you can come up with your creative mind. I have removed all the masking fluid and now it's time to paint the accessories. You will see how beautiful she looks when I add that bindi. So friends, this painting is almost complete and I hope you get to learn something from this video. If you want me to continue creating such art videos and tutorials, then do support my channel by subscribing and sharing with your friends. It will be so motivating for me and I will continue creating such content for all art lovers. Thank you for watching this video. Take care friends. Sayonara.